In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scroll section in Framer. By the end, you'll have a section that animates smoothly as people scroll, guiding attention and adding polish to your page. First, head to Framer and open the project you're working on. In the canvas, select the page or the exact section you want to animate, so the right-hand sidebar shows the correct settings for that element. With your layer selected, look to the right-hand panel and open Effects. This is where Framer collects visual treatments for a layer and where the scroll options live. Inside Effects, click Scroll. This enables scroll-aware behavior for the selected element and unlocks the controls you need. Next, open Scroll Animation. You'll see a set of options for when the animation should start and how it should behave. Choose a trigger. The trigger defines the moment the animation should listen for, typically tied to the element's position in the viewport. Right after that, set Start. Start marks the exact alignment, like top or center of the viewport, that kicks things off. Placing Start around the midpoint often feels natural, but shift it earlier for a snappier reveal or later for a more relaxed entrance. Toggle Replay if you want the animation to run again when users scroll back. Leaving it off creates a one-time reveal that keeps long pages feeling clean. Turning it on adds interactivity for back and forth scrolling. Now, pick a preset. Presets provide reliable defaults, such as fades, slides, or subtle scales, so you can get a solid motion base without tweaking from scratch. Then, define Enter. Enter controls how the element appears, including initial offset, opacity, and movement. Aim for motion that supports your content rather than steals attention. Finally, set Exit. Exit handles how the element leaves the viewport. A gentle fade often keeps the flow smooth, while a slide can add emphasis between sections. As you adjust, the Canvas preview updates in real time, helping you judge pacing. Easing and duration inside these controls can refine the feel. That's it. You've added a scroll section in Framer with clear triggers, replay behavior, and tailored enter and exit animations for a polished result.